Hello, my name is Ali from Nifty Blinds. We offer custom window treatments in Toronto and GTA, and I'm here today to answer a couple of questions that our clients ask us all the time. And the question is, what type of blinds to use for my windows? To select a blind for your windows, you're looking at the trend of the market, what type of blinds are basically routine in the market and they're lasting for 10 to 20 years. What blinds are easy to clean and maintain, and basically what type of property do you live in? Is it a condo or a house? What direction you are facing in terms of your windows, and a few other factors. But generally speaking, roller mechanism type of blinds are the most common ones in the market, and you have variety of options in terms of the fabrics. So you can select the fabrics which are kind of light filtering, blackouts, see-through options. Some fabrics, they have a pattern, some are more simple. So generally speaking, the blinds that they are taking less space, more versatility, less maintenance, and easy to operate are the best type of blinds to use for your condo or a house.